I just wanted to come on here and make a video of my new channel that I'm starting. I know I've made some videos, but I just want to do an introduction to myself and show my face. But if you think this is going to be about making $1,000 trades, $5,000, $10,000 a trade, this is not it. I kind of want to do this channel for more real world, not Lambos and all the stuff the YouTubers show that gets you excited, which got me excited 5 years ago. But I just want to show the real deal of trying to get this thing going and start it and keep it going, be consistent. I mean, this is the real journey of trading. I've been in it 5 years, trying to be consistently profitable, and I'm still working at it. Just to be honest, I think I'm kind of a break-even trader. I'm still, just every day. I mean, if you look at the last couple videos I've done, I mean, one week I win, and then the next day I lose. Same things happened last week. I won Thursday, lost Friday. I mean, it's like I can't get over this hump. I'm not saying I can't. I'm not gonna say I can't get over this hump, but right now I'm still stuck in this hump for the last 6 months. But which makes me feel good, because I've heard a lot of YouTubers say that you're on your way to being consistently profitable once you can get to break-even status, to where you're not just losing, you are winning, but you just got to get to the point to where you stop taking them losses, stop taking them trades that's giving you them losses, and make more winners, or maybe make your winners, let your winners run longer. I don't know, but my name is Dwayne. I'm from Virginia. I've been trading for 5 years, and I was able to retire from my job back in 2021 through real estate. So I started buying rental properties back in 2004. That was my dream. 20 years, where it took 16 years to retire and make a living. But I hadn't planned to retire when I did. I mean, it took a year or two for me to plan to retire, but I thought I was gonna be working longer. But once I seen this trading thing, I jumped on the bandwagon too fast. I wish I wouldn't have quit when I did. I wish I just would have took a second shift job, or stayed on the same job and just went to work all second while I learned, the skill of trading. Because right now, I'm not making any money. So I'm living off, income from rental properties, which is not good, because, you're going to have stuff going on, good and bad. You still need income. And I flip houses also, but flipping houses in the last 5 years I haven't been doing that many, because you just don't know what the market's going to do. Interest rates high. People want a lot of money for the houses. I mean, I still do the market and try to find houses, but it's hard to find good deals. So I might do 1 or 2 houses a year. That keeps me afloat, but I'm not making money like I was making if I had stayed working and flipping houses, because that was double income. So right now it's like I'm living off just one income. I mean, and I just thought trading would provide that for me, to get me over that hump, to where I could, do the dream, work 2 hours, 3 hours a day, and you're done for the day. But that's why I wanted to create this channel. It's not easy as YouTube make it seem, or anybody make it seem. It takes a lot of hard work, which you see a lot of YouTubers tell the truth about. It's like being a doctor. It takes 8 years. So, I mean, you can't make $300,000-$400,000 a year and go to school 1 year. I mean, you got to be realistic. So I'm not giving up. I'm still with it. But I felt if I, make a YouTube channel and I be honest with myself and make sure I upload the wins and the losses, it would just keep me, accountable for my trades, and it'll be a journey for me to go back and look at where I come from. I mean, I wanted to start this 4 years ago when I heard about people doing YouTube channels to keep themselves accountable, and I just didn't want to get into the YouTube. I didn't want to show my face. I didn't want to. I mean, I'm not a social media person. I don't do social media. I flick through TikTok and look at stuff, but I don't post nothing. So I'm a private person. So it just took me a while to get to this point to where I can put this stuff out on the internet. You know, like I said, I'm new. I notice I'm saying a lot of so like I said, I'm new to this. So I just want to, just try to be honest with people and show them it's not all glory. I mean, I made some trades where I made $1,000, and then I might make 1,200, but I might lose 1,500 within the next couple of days. So it's just up and down, and I want to get over this hump. And I'm hoping that this YouTube channel, I can meet some people. We can talk, go over trades. I don't know. I just hope this lead me to being a better trader. What I'm hoping for, because I've always heard, becoming a teacher helps you learn a lot more. I don't want to be a teacher. I'm sorry, but just talking about what you're doing with other people maybe would help me become better at my craft. Because I don't want to sell no courses. I'm not into none of that. I just want to document my journey. I've been wanting to do this, but I'm just finally getting to the point because, like I said, I'm retired, so I just get up and trade. I get up by 12, I'm done. So I have to find other stuff to do, and I've watched a lot of YouTube, and a lot of YouTubers say if you ever be consistent at trading, it is boring, and I already know it's boring. I mean, I used to try to sit there all day, but you just get way more money. I mean, sitting there all day. So now, I mean, I'm taking 1 to 3 trades maybe a week. Some weeks, like a couple weeks ago, I took 5 trades and 3 or 4 was break even. But most of the time, I'm taking 1 to 3 trades a week, and I've learned that I like that. That's just my personality. Because when I first started with Bear Bull Traders, that's who I started with back in 2021. They taught me a lot, but they traded a lot. I mean, they traded a lot. I mean, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades a day. And I thought, coming in green, you think that's what you're supposed to do. But as time went on, I just, watching other YouTubers and ICT. I watched a lot of ICT, studied a lot of ICT. And one thing I like about ICT is the discipline, and he's telling you the pitfalls of trading. I mean, I know there's a lot of controversy around him, but he don't just talk about wins. He talk about how hard it is, how slow you got to take it to get there. I mean, I really liked that, and I just really liked that you don't have to trade every day. I sit there and watch, and you stay calm. Your nerves is better, everything. And if you think about it, once you get enough capital, and you say you had $500,000 capital, one trade a week. If you make one trade 1%, is $5,000. If you make one trade, say you make 8,000, you take a chance of losing 5, but you win, you make 8. I mean, that's enough for the week. That's enough for 2-3 weeks. So that's the way I'm looking at it. Longevity. And anybody that that's pretty successful in trading, or that you think because a lot of them telling lies, but you think a lot of them say that it's not about the quantity of trades, it's about the quality of trades. And I like to sit there and just watch, because for me to get to where I'm at, I mean, I read a lot of books and watched I've been in a lot of courses and stuff in real estate, and I like to go fishing and try to just take the best trades. It's fun to sit there. To me now, it's fun to sit there and watch some play out in your head. I say, if it do this, I'm gonna enter. But if it don't, I'm just gonna watch it. But when you first starting off, I know when I first started off, that wasn't me. I was just jumping in and out of everything, and nervous, hands shaking, sweating, and it just wasn't for me. It's for me. But now the way I trade is pretty calm. So now I don't trade ICT. I trade, which ICT talk about it, but he really don't trade IFVGs. He trade, fair value gaps and breaker blocks. But I mean, since January, I've been trading I inverse fair value gaps, and it's really been working for me. As far as working for me, I mean, like I said, I'm pretty much break even. One month I might be up $200-300. One month I might be down $200-300, or up 1 R, down 2 R. But and I feel good about it because I can see it, and I feel I'm learning. So I feel like I'm gonna try to. I'm going to stick with this and just document this to as I get better as the years go on, because eventually I'm gonna get there. I mean, I know I am, because I'm gonna keep working at it. I've heard of people take 10 years to finally get there. 7 years. So right now I'm at 5, so I'm not giving up. I might have to go back to work, and I don't want to, but the money's getting low, and like I said, the flipping houses is here and there. I mean, I've been keeping up so far, but I might have to go back to work. I'll just get a second shift job and keep trading. I'm not giving up on trading, but that's pretty much it for me. I just wanted to put this video out there to pretty much get unscared of posting on YouTube. And I don't know. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me. Comment and subscribe, and I'll be back pretty much 3-4 times a week, just posting, talking about my trades, and I hope to see you there.